Hello friends, this is Dr. N.K. Sharma from Team 360. As you are aware that our this new channel Brain Insider has been started recently. Daily we'll be uploading one video relating to parenting in which the different topics related to the child-parent relationship or studies or other career counseling matters will be discussed. At the end of the video, if you go to description, you will find 5 objective type questions. The parents are expected to answer those questions online. So whole month there will be 30 videos on different topics. So 30 into 5, 150 questions will be there. The parents who are answering them correctly, they will be entitled for a fabulous gift. So parents, I request you that kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get all the information related to that, and click the all so that all the videos you will get, and like and share these videos to your friends and relatives. So we should go ahead with the topic, that is the depression in the children. What is depression? Depression is an illness of body, mood, thought and eating and sleeping disorder which are affecting the daily life of a child. So how will come to know that the child is depressed? There are certain symptoms. One is the child is feeling guilty, excessive guilty, or he is having the feeling of worthlessness in the life. I am of no use to anybody. Or sometimes the child feels the loss of energy. He is having lack of interest in day-to-day academic and other activities. And even in extreme case, sometimes the child may also feel that I should commit a suicide. So these are the symptoms. If parents see them, then they should be alert that the child is suffering from the depression. Now we want to know what are the causes of depression. There are different category of causes. First is the biological cause. Number one, when the child is himself is of very less weight at the time of the birth, that may be a cause of depression. Second, if the mother is less than 18 years age at the time of birth, in that case also the chances are that the child is having the feeling of depression. Third, in case the child is having this physical deformities or dark color or less height or very odd body shape, that may also cause the depression in the child. And fourth, if the parents themselves are having this hereditary problem of depression, that may also affect the child. And second category of the depression is that when the child has witnessed a serious trauma at the early childhood. It may be a death of very near and dear one, or must have been exposed to the serious violence at home or at neighborhood, or the child has suffered the physical trauma, or somebody has abused him or her sexually, or it may be the death of a very near and dear one. So these are some of the causes which may affect the child. And other causes are like that acute financial problem, because of that parents are not able to pay the fees, or the children, those who are being having the pressure in the school by the seniors, they may also have this kind of problem. Or if the parents are having dispute at home in front of the child, or sometimes even there is a divorce of the parent, that may be the reason of the depression. Now, what are the remedies available in case of depression? First, encourage healthy diet. It should be the balanced with the mineral and other vegetables, so that the child should not have this problem. Second, the sufficient water intake, that may also reduce the cause of the depression. Third, encourage the child to go for meditation or yoga, that will also reduce the depression. Fourth, encourage the proper sleep. If the child is taking proper sleep, then chances of depression are less. And next, the child should be encouraged to be socially active. In that case also the chances of depression will be less. And in extreme cases, I suggest parents they should go for psychiatrist also. They will suggest some measures. And one more reason they can one more measure they can adopt, that is that they should go for DMRT test. After test report, through proper counseling, the real cause of the depression can be there, and the remedial measure can also be suggested for the person who is conducting the DMRT test. Now, what are the preventive measures to avoid depression? See, there is a saying that prevention is better than cure. So, first preventive measure is that there should be healthy parent-child attachment. If parents are paying proper attention, there is proper attachment, proper bonding of the parent with the child, that there are no chances of depression. Second, if the parents are responsive to the age-appropriate need of the child, in that case also child will not have any cause of depression. Third, if the parents are making the child gradually independent. See, the parents should avoid the spoon feeding. The child should be grown in such a way that when he or she is getting grown, they should feel independent. They should not be depending on small things to the parent. So friends, now video is over. I request you to go to description, click the link and answer all the 5 questions, and don't forget to share and like the video. Thank you very much. Will you see you again with the next video.